we saw it. We saw the thing, and we saw the little stream come down. Because I was like, that looks like it could be a tornado. And she said, yeah, I guess so. And then through the trees, I saw it come down and go back up, come down and go back up.
Hey, y'all watching the weather?
Yeah, we came through Sibling coming from Bucso on 64.
We're sitting here watching the tornado.
It rained for like 30 seconds, I think.
We're in Zebulon. Yeah, it's like right across the field.
Y'all be safe.
Well, we're in a church. We're at a church right now. Huh? I guess we're hoping God will hook us up.